Well, I see some guys on the board ask, how do you clean the inside of your radiator when it gets bugs and all leaves and stuff like that? Well, here's a little method I devised. I thought I'd share it with you guys. First, go to the dollar store and get a brush. It looks like this. Then you get a paint stick. You tape them together with some duct tape. Well, the brush has a little end of it right here. You grind that off. You got a grinder cut off so it's flat. You take some regular old masking tape and you mask off where you want to clean. I did it about 2 grills in, 2 grills there, because I'm fussy and I don't like scratches. So then, once you have that done, you take your brush, because it's flat, you slide her in like, sorry, I'm not too good with the camera. Slide her in like that, and she'll go in, and there you go. You can take it real easy, as you can see. Go up and down, don't do any poking, clean. You turn the brush sideways like that, go like that, go like that. You just keep working it. Working it up and down, sideways. The brushes are nylon, so it's not going to hurt nothing. And because you cut off the tip of the brush, it's going to fit in between your grill. And you just work it, work it, work it. And when you get as much done as you can, you keep it flat like that, slide her back out, go over, and do the other side. Same way. In, as you can see, I'm sliding, working, 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 just getting them all off, just scraping them, easy. And when you're done, slide her back out like that. Now that you've had it all done like that, now what do you do all the crap down in the bottom? Well, this is what you do. You take your handy dandy leaf blower. And I don't know if I can set this up while I do it. Fire it up. You blow it out, and then if you look down in there, everything is clean, no bugs, no leaves. Job done.